Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Docker support in your Visual Studio project. This creates a Docker file and launch profiles. Once done, make sure Docker Desktop is running and set to the correct container mode for your app. You should inspect the generated Docker file to understand base images, ports, and build steps. Next, adjust the project's build configuration to include Docker and choose the right target framework. Doing this prepares Visual Studio to build images directly from your solution. You now build the image by selecting the Docker profile from the Run dropdown and triggering Build or Debug. Visual Studio runs Docker build using the Docker file. Watch the output window for each layer, cache hits, and the final image ID. If you need custom build args or secrets, set them in the launch settings. JSON or pass them through the command line. Make sure the correct solution configuration, debug/release, is selected because it influences compiled artifacts included in the image. You finish by running the container from Visual Studio or with Docker Run using the produced image ID and mapped ports. Test endpoints and validate environment variables and mounted volumes match what the app expects. If something fails, check container logs, then rebuild the image with no cache to rule out stale layers. Inspect the Docker file for missing publish steps or incorrect workdir. Finally, ensure Docker desktop resources, CPU/RAM, are sufficient because
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.